these things are gonna be so freaking stuffy. I already know. With the sun blazing on them. Both of them sitting at the top. Ooh. Wow, that is one nice shaft view. Wow, that one has the buzz.
Fourth floor. Going down.
Look how they just added the voice. That didn't used to be there. I don't even remember when I filmed these last. It's been a long time. But I remember that buzz. Jeez.
First floor. Going up.
Oh wow, these have Omega rails. If you don't know what those are, look it up. That's pretty cool. We'll ride this one up to 3 and end the video.
First floor. Going up.
You hit 4 for me?
Of course.
Have a good day.
You guys want to?
Third floor. Going up.
I heard that.
It's hot as shit.